Today let's unbox iPad 6th generation. The 2018 variant is known as the 6th generation iPad. For Apple, at the higher end they have iPad Pro, which is starting at a price point of 70,000 rupees onwards. And in the other end we have iPad, which is starting at a price point of 26,000 rupees onwards. So the real question here is it really worth it in 2019? Should you buy it?
Hello friends, my name is Shrudin VS. Technology is a thing of today and tomorrow. So let's mesmerize in technology. Welcome to my channel, Techmerize.
So let's unbox our iPad. In the box, we have the iPad. There is a USB to Lightning port data cable, the information booklet and few Apple stickers, a power adapter which is a 10-watt adapter. The packing of the Apple products is very good. I unboxed a MacBook Air in this channel, so the unboxing experience is quite similar. If we look at the physical overview, on the right side we have volume buttons, on the top we have a power button, a small mic and audio jack. On the left side it is plain. On the bottom we have speaker grills and a charging port. The fingerprint sensor is on the bottom bezel. So let's look at some specification about the iPad. The iPad 6th Gen have a 9.7-inch screen, which is an LCD screen, and I think the display is quite good. The one I have is a 32GB space gray variant. It is powered by Apple's A10 Fusion chipset, which is a very powerful chipset. So multitasking and gaming is not going to be a problem in this iPad. We have 2GB of RAM in our iPad, which runs iOS 11. The RAM management of Apple is very good. So even though it's just 2GB of RAM, you can expect good results from here. Talking about the battery of this iPad. In one full charge, you can get up to 10 hours of usage. We don't have fast charger here, so it will take some time to charge up to 100%. If you look into the camera department, the camera is an 8 megapixel in the rear and 1.2 megapixel in the front. The camera performance of our iPad, it's not great, but we can say it gets the job done. So, should you buy this iPad? Is it really worth it in 2019? If you already have an iPad which is of 5th gen, I will not suggest you to upgrade to this. It is not really worth it. If you don't have a tablet, then it's definitely worth it. There are two variants for this iPad, 32GB variant and 128GB variant. I would suggest you to go for the 32GB variant because the 128GB variant is 6,000 rupees more expensive than the current one. And I don't think it's really worth it. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you find this video interesting, please click on that subscribe button so you can support my channel and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified about the latest tech videos whenever I upload. Thank you, goodbye and see you on the next video.